Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing materials and making the first cuts. Lay foam and felt flat, then pin a simple leg template to both layers so shapes match. Once edged, cut 2 outer shells and 2 inner linings. Make sure to keep a 0. 5. Seam allowance for glue. Use a 1/4 dowel where the foot will pivot, marking its position now so you avoid shifting later. These initial pieces set fit and symmetry, so work quickly but accurately to save time downstream. You now assemble the leg structure and shape it into a believable penguin limb. Glue foam to felt, sandwiching the 1/4 dowel at the joint, and hold pressure for 30 to 60 seconds so the bond sets. Once bonded, close side seams with glue or quick stitches, leaving the top open for stuffing. Add a thin wire inside if you want posability. This helps the leg hold tilt. Carve small foam contours to mimic muscle and test flex. Adjust thickness where the leg feels stiff. You finish by stuffing and attaching the leg, then resolve common issues. Fill the cavity with batting until firm but flexible. Cap the top and secure with glue so the joint is tidy. Attach the leg to the body through a slot or sew a fabric loop and anchor it with extra glue. Make sure the dowel aligns with the body pivot. If the leg droops, reinforce with a stiffer dowel or pack more foam at the joint. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most sagging problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.